Hi, my name is Misty Cabanis and welcome to my YouTube channel, Live, Earn, and Play in Central Florida. And today I am in Sanford off of East Lake Mary Boulevard. And we are at a DR Horton community, brand new community, Concorde, that just opened up. And we're going to take a tour of the Allex. So a few things that I want to mention about this builder and the incentives that they have going on right now. So right now, all of the appliances come with the home except for the washer and dryer. You get stove, refrigerator, microwave, blinds, and a garage door opener. So literally all you have to do is just move right in. So we're going to take a look at the Allex. Make sure you click the like and subscribe button so you never miss out on any of my tours, and let's go take a look inside.